Hey there, Sue Moore here, your guide to healthy and beautiful skin. And today I am going to bring you one of my essential spring skincare tips. It's my favorite, so I thought I would share that first. So here it is. Spring is a great time of year to put away your heavy winter foundations and consider using a tinted moisturizer. Well, now, why would you want to do that? Well, here's what I found out, and that is this. Tinted moisturizers are quickly becoming an alternative for the heavier foundation. Think of like a BB cream, while they're still getting the benefits that they get from a BB cream. So just by upgrading your skincare routine with a tinted moisturizer does have several benefits. First, a tinted moisturizer will neutralize the dulling environmental aggressors that we all face every day. Number two, a tinted moisturizer is going to help repair the skin's natural barrier so it's smoother, okay? Number three, a tinted moisturizer is going to protect you from the harmful UVA and UVB rays of the sun, making your skin look healthier. And then number four, a tinted moisturizer, I can't say that word, anyway, perfects your complexion so it's instantly radiant, you know. Everybody needs to be radiant. So let me go through those again, just so you understand what the benefit to a tinted moisturizer would be. It neutralizes the dullness. It protects the skin's moisture barrier, so you have a smoother look. It protects you from the UVA, UVB rays, which obviously is going to make your skin look healthier. And it does help you put your best face forward. And after all, our face is the first thing that people see, and so we want it to be radiant. Right? Right. Okay. That's really it for today. Now, I hope you liked this post. If you did, I would appreciate your comments. My website and my YouTube channels have more tips and more videos over there if you want to pop over there and take a look. And if you're like a lot of friends of mine, you're skincare junkies and you want to belong to a community, I do have a private Facebook group called the More Connection, M-O-R-E, not my name, but more of everything. And you can go over there and just say you'd like to join. All that to say, once again, I do hope you enjoyed the video, that you got some value out of it. And I mentioned I was sharing one of my 6 skincare tips. If you would like the other 5, I have them right here. Just message me and I'll be happy to pop them over to you. And that's it. So, hey, Gloria, thanks for jumping on. See you all later on the next video. Journey well. Bye.